In this video, we're going to cover formatting floats and the format command. If we do a help on format, you'll see that as you read through it, there's also help on formatting. This is key, and you can see that formatting, there's quite a large help page on how Python can deal with formatting all kinds of integers. So that's good to know. It's all right there. Let's take a look at formatting some floats with the format function. Here you can see that we set a variable to a 4 decimal place float. We have a cost of $2.99, 2 decimal places. We create the tax rate times cost, and we print you pay format, our variable, which is one of the arguments for the format command, and then we give it the precision and the type. The precision in this case is 2, we followed by the decimal point, so 2 places to the right of the decimal point, and the F stands for a fixed point. And here we see the 2 decimal places. We follow it with the 0. We follow it with 4. Moving right along, we set a variable big number to a very large number, and here's how you add commas to large floats. So we format big number, give it the comma, tell it decimal place, 1 float, and this is what we receive: 75,846,475.1. And you could also, other than adding commas, you could also add a %sign. And here is our test score. Print, format, here's our argument of our value. Here's our precision followed by the %sign. And then what you have is 75.67. And this is all formatting floats. And now we're going to discuss integers. So integers have no decimal value. You could still leverage the comma, and the precision followed by the F for fixed point, but there's also a D. The D is for decimal integer in base 10. So as you see, format followed by the value and the type of formatting you want in the argument, and we receive 10,697 for both. I encourage you to read the help on formatting and read the help on format to get a better grip of formatting, but the best practice is to do it. So in all your output, in all your scripts, leverage formatting to clean up how the output looks and to make it more legible for the reader. That's it for this video.